Hi everybody, Joshua Levine here, General Manager at MarineMax St. Petersburg. Thank you for watching our inventory videos. Today's boat is a very special boat. We just received it in inventory, Boston Whaler 380 Outrage. We're excited to bring it to you, and I've got the one, the only, Mr. Captain Nick Pavlakis to show you all about it. Nick?
Hi guys, let's hop on board and get this party started. Do you enjoy pushing the farthest limits of offshore fishing? Do you enjoy checking the weather report and saying, you know what, I really don't care, I am the baddest fishing machine that money can buy? Do you just love knowing that any fish population offshore cannot sleep at night knowing that there's another 380 Outrage on the water? Then look no further, because this is exactly the boat for you. So as you guys notice, the Boston Whaler 380 Outrage is truly built to be a hardcore fishing machine. However, it is a true no-compromise center console with amenities for the whole family. Starting up here, you can see nice table for when you're eating lunch up on the bow. That also operates on an actuating ram to create a sun pad up here. Also, moving on back, extensive lounging area. Lounge out, catch some rays. Ooh, I like this. But also room for all your covers, dive tanks, buckets. Storage will never be a problem on a boat this size, as it shouldn't be. Follow me back here and you'll see why this boat truly is in a class all by itself. So as we move down here, I want to remind you guys that we are still in a center console, but this is a center console that offers more, including comfortable overnight capabilities. Whether it's out on the fishing grounds or at your favorite island destination, you have all the room to sleep in a nice full bathroom, or head as we like to call it, down over here on the starboard side. So Captain Nick, what makes this boat better than it already is? How about a captain trip out to the Florida Middle Grounds on a grouper fishing extravaganza by yours truly? Oh. Gulf of Mexico grouper population. I gotta take this. Listen, how many times do I need to keep telling you guys that as soon as there is this 38 Outrage on the water, I will find you, I will hook you, and I will catch you. Let's make it happen, guys. On a more serious note, guys, I want to point out the nice, luxurious, triple Helm station right here. Keep everybody nice and comfortable for a long ride offshore. Let's move on back, and I'm going to point out a few more features. Got a nice fridge right here. Keep all your beverages nice and cold. Sub, JL audio sub for when you're ready to crank to tunes. Moving on back to the fish deck here, as somebody that grew up commercial fishing on some more rougher boats out in the Gulf of Mexico, I can really appreciate all the craftsmanship that went into this luxurious fishing machine. As you can see right here, nice hard countertops, sink, opens up also. Rod storage 4 days, powder coated T-top, built to last, all the way up to the hard top with your spreader lights up here. So when the fish don't want to cooperate and they don't want to bite, don't give them a choice. You got a dive door over here, let your divers in the water and just go shoot them. So when you and I go offshore, we're going to need a lot of room for all the fish we're going to catch and take home. So Whaler did a really great job of adding a nice long in-deck fish box on each side of the boat. So of course, what would a Boston Whaler walkthrough video be without showing the huge seat back here? What's behind me? White, triple, 350 horsepower Mercury supercharged Verados. Now if this doesn't get you excited, check your pulse. So if I can assist you in getting on what I like to call my dream boat, and yours also, come on down to MarineMax St. Petersburg. Let's talk boats, fishing, whatever, and we'll get you out on the water. Captain Nick, MarineMax St. Petersburg, and I'm signing off.